So, family friends, you know, I only want to tell you guys that you the best. So, my favorite thing when I was young, I want to show you a cool life hack for your life that makes your life better, you know. But my favorite thing to eat when I was younger were Schokokrossis. What are Schokokrossis? Schokokrossis are those, you know, like those are the cross of them chocolate. They are tasting A to the amazing, you know. What does it mean to taste A to the amazing? It means that it tastes nice, you know, make my life better. Do you guys know this or you don't know that? Is it just a German thing or is it maybe also in your country? That is even better if you guys don't even know. So this is basically what you can buy in the supermarket, and I would say favorite sweet of mine when I was younger. When we had this, I killed this in minutes, you know. You can also do this on your own, you know. You don't have to be in a German supermarket to do that. Now you can also do it on your own. And how? We have them chocolates and we have them cornflakes, you know. Produce them on your own, you know. You take a pot and you take the chocolate, you know. Just take the chocolate that you like the most, and then you take the chocolate and you break it, you know. Classical breaking, break. By the way, I didn't do this now for more than 10 years or even longer. I don't know when the last time was that I did this. No, 10 years. We really need a lot of chocolate because we do a lot of chocolate cross, you know. So you have them chocolate and not the plastics. I had plastic on my hand and now the plastic is inside there. No. There it is. Plastic shouldn't go in there, obviously, you know. Now this is how it should look. I think this is a little bit diabolical. Now you go into your kitchen and you heat that shit up, you know. You can do it with every chocolate, you know. Those Schokokrossis I just showed you, those are oftentimes available in normal white, like milk chocolate and dark chocolate, but I think actually dark chocolate is better. Put water underneath and then put chocolate to melt in a double boil. Oh no, I don't. I just gonna boil it like this. I know it's gonna work like this as well, guys, all good. Here we are already heating that up, you know. And I put it also on low fire so it can't burn too crazy, you know. Look at that chocolate mess. Let's go. What we now do, everything should be melted, obviously. Now the trick is coming where you put this into there, but not too much, only a few, and we have to mix them in. Look, now you have this, and now you're gonna, that everything is covered with the chocolate, like the cornflakes should be covered in chocolate. It should look like this, so that you can't see any yellow stains of the, but you also should not break the cornflakes. And now grabbing a plate and we put them as like small things on the plate. Okay, now on the plate in small, however you like the size the most, you know. Damn, they are looking amazing. It looks really, I think it looks really nice, to be honest. And what is now the last step, because you will not eat them like this. This is kind of disgusting. Or not disgusting, but it just melted chocolate. What you now do is, first of all, get all the chocolate off the thing, so we don't gonna waste any chocolate. And then we're gonna put them into the freezer. Not in the freezer, in the fridge. And then in the next break, we already have perfect chocolate Krossies. Okay, friends, welcome back. So, I'm hyped. Taste test, exactly. This is how they should look, you know. And now this is how it should be perfect, you know, when they are not falling anymore, you know. Okay. Damn. Guys, listen now. Listen to that sound, you know. They're for real amazing. This is the best I ever ate. Let's go. But for real, this is 10 out of 10. You know, and I'm not even a big fan of sweets. That this shit is amazing, you know. This is how they should look. Damn, moms, the mias. So we have to just melt the chocolate and add cornflakes in that freeze. 100%. That is, or not freeze. Just put it in the fridge, you know. Easy as it is. Melt the chocolate on low temperature, then you don't have to do the whole water thing. I don't know, takes too much time from my perspective. Then put the cornflakes in it, really that every cornflakes is covered, and then you put them in small bowls on the plates, put them in the fridge for 1 hour, and there you go, you know.